practice English speaking.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake, waving. So happy to see you here today.
Jake, I have a question for you. Did you eat lunch yet?
Actually, no. I'm so hungry right now. I was thinking about pizza.
Pizza sounds good. But wait, do you know how to order pizza in English?
Give me pizza, makes hunch your face.
Okay, that works. But today, we can make it better.
Yes, that's why we're here. Turns to camera. Today, we're going to learn how to order food at a restaurant.
That's right, restaurant English. This is so important.
Because everyone needs to eat.
Exactly. And when you travel, when you meet friends, when you're hungry, you need these words.
To camera. Maybe you feel nervous at restaurants. Maybe you don't understand the waiter.
Don't worry. Today, we will practice together, step by step.
After this video, you will feel confident, I promise.
Warm smile. Let's do this.
Oh, before we start, points to screen.
Yes. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. Gesture subscribe button.
Click that red button and the bell too. Ding sound effect.
When you subscribe, you help us make more free lessons.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up gesture.
Share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, now let's learn.
Let's go. NG Pimp camera or slightly to the side. Okay, Anna, I just walked into a restaurant. What do I say first? Good question. First, the host will ask you something. Listen, playing host, formal voice. Hi, how many?
Oh, they want to know how many people are eating today.
Yes, how many means how many people are eating today.
So if I'm alone, I say one.
Yes, or you can say just one, please.
Just one, please. Repeat slowly.
Perfect. Now, what if you have a friend?
Two.
Yes, two, please, or a table for two, please.
Practicing. A table for two, please.
Beautiful. Let me spell table for you. Table. Table.
Table. Got it.
Anna, to camera, you can also say, we have a reservation.
Wait, what's a reservation?
A reservation is when you call before you book a table.
Ah, like I call and say, I want a table at 7 p.m.
Exactly. Then you have a reservation. reservation.
That's a long word. Laughs.
Don't worry. Just practice, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation. Under my name.
Yes, I have a reservation under your name.
I have a reservation under Jake.
Perfect. NG stands up slightly, playing the host. Jake pretends to enter.
Okay, Anna. I just walked into a restaurant. What do I say first?
Good question. First, the host will ask you something. Listen, playing host, formal voice. Hi, how many?
Oh, they want to know how many people are eating today.
Yes, how many means how many people are eating today.
So if I'm alone, I say one.
Yes, or you can say just one, please.
Just one, please. Repeat slowly.
Perfect. Now, what if you have a friend?
Two.
Yes, two, please, or a table for two, please.
Practicing. A table for two, please.
Beautiful. Let me spell table for you. Table. Table.
Table. Got it.
Anna, to camera, you can also say, we have a reservation.
Wait, what's a reservation?
A reservation is when you call before you book a table.
Ah, like I call and say, I want a table at 7 p.m.
Exactly. Then you have a reservation. reservation.
That's a long word. Laughs.
Don't worry. Just practice, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation. Under my name.
Yes, I have a reservation under your name.
I have a reservation under Jake.
Perfect. Okay, Jake. So now I'm at my table. What happens next? The waiter will come. They might say, here's your menu.
Menu. I know that word. The paper with all the food.
That's right. MENU, menu. Now, the waiter might ask, "Can I get you something to drink?"
Oh, they want to know what I want to drink first.
Yes. In most restaurants, drinks come first.
So I can say, water, please.
Yes. Or, teaching moment, "Can I have some water, please?"
Can I have? That sounds nicer.
It does. "Can I have" is very polite.
Practicing. Can I have some water, please?
Beautiful. Now, a small tip.
Yes?
In America, the waiter might ask, "Still or sparkling?"
Still or sparkling? What does that mean?
Still means regular water, no bubbles.
Like normal water from a bottle.
Yes, and sparkling means water with bubbles, like soda but no flavor.
Oh, I've seen that. So I say, still, please.
Perfect. Or sparkling, please. Your choice.
Aha! This is so helpful. I always got confused.
Now you know. Okay, Jake. Now the important part, ordering food.
Yes, rubs hands together. I'm ready.
The waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
Are you ready to order? That means, do you want to tell me your food now?
Exactly. You can say, "Yes, please," or
Or,
if you need more time, say, "Can I have a few more minutes?"
repeating, can I have a few more minutes?
That's right. It's okay to take your time.
Okay, but now I'm ready. How do I order?
Here's something important. Teaching moment. Don't say, "I want."
Confused. But I want pizza is correct English, right?
It's correct, but it's not polite. It sounds a little demanding.
Oh, so what do I say?
Say, "I would like," or "I'll have."
I would like, I'll have.
"I would like" is a little more formal. "I'll have" is casual, but still polite.
Wait, so I can say, I would like the pizza, please.
Yes, beautiful. Or, "I'll have the pizza, please." Perfect. Both are great.
To camera. Okay, friends, remember, not I want. Say I would like or I'll have.
Let me spell these. Would, WOULD, like.
I would like.
Smile. Now you sound very polite. Anna to camera, slightly to the side.
Anna, sometimes I don't understand the menu. What do I do?
Great question. This happens to everyone, even native speakers.
Really?
Yes, some menus are confusing, so you can ask questions.
What kind of questions?
You can say, "What's in this?"
Points at imaginary menu. What's in this? So I'm asking about the ingredients.
Yes, the things inside the food.
Practicing. What's in this?
You can also ask, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? That means, what is good here?
Exactly. The waiter will tell you their favorite dish.
Oh, that's smart. Let me try. What do you recommend?
Perfect. RECCOMMEND. Recommend. A long word.
Recommend. Smile.
And one more useful question.
Yes?
Is this spicy?
Yes, I need to know that. I don't like spicy food.
Laughs. Then ask, "Is this spicy?" SPICY. Spicy.
Is this spicy? Thumbs up.
And if you have allergies,
Allergies, like I can't eat some foods?
yes, you can say, "Does this have nuts?" or "I'm allergic to."
Practicing. Does this have nuts? I'm allergic to dairy.
Great. DAIRY. Dairy.
That's milk, cheese, butter. Wow, so many useful questions.
Angie asking questions slightly to the side.
Anna, what if I want to change something?
Like no onions, extra cheese?
Yes, is that okay?
Of course, this is very common.
So how do I say it?
Use these magic words, without and with extra.
Without, with extra.
Example, "Can I have the burger without onions?"
Repeating. Can I have the burger without onions?
Perfect. Or, "Can I have the pizza with extra cheese?"
Repeating. Can I have the pizza with extra cheese?
You can also say, "No tomatoes, please." Very simple.
No tomatoes, please. Just no plus the food.
Exactly. And one more phrase.
Yes?
On the side.
On the side? What does that mean?
It means separate, not on top of the food, next to it.
Oh, like, can I have the sauce on the side?
Beautiful.
Aha moment. Native speakers do this a lot, right?
All the time. Don't be shy. It's totally normal. This is so important. Please don't feel embarrassed.
But I feel nervous.
I know, but waiters are usually very kind. They will help you.
So, what can I say?
First, excuse me, can you repeat that?
Excuse me, can you repeat that?
Or simply, sorry, one more time, please.
Sorry, one more time, please. That's easy.
You can also say, can you speak more slowly, please?
Oh, slowly.
Yes. And if you don't know a word, just ask, what does word mean?
What does medium rare mean?
That's how you want your steak cooked. Not fully cooked, a little pink inside.
See? I learned something.
It's okay to ask. Waiters understand. Many people learn English.
Okay, I finished eating. Now I need to pay. What do I say?
You can say, can I have the check, please?
Can I have the check, please?
Or, can I have the bill, please?
Wait, check and bill? What's the difference?
In America, we usually say check, C-H-E-C-K.
Check.
In England and many other countries, they say bill, B-I-L-L.
Oh, so both are correct.
Yes, both mean the same thing, the paper with the price.
Got it. Anything else?
If you want to pay now, you can say, I'm ready to pay.
I'm ready to pay.
And if you want to split with a friend, can we split the check?
Can we split the check?
Or separate checks, please.
Now I know how to pay. No more confusion.
Great job, Jake. Okay, everyone. Now let's practice a full conversation. Jake will be the customer. I will be the server.
Yes, let's do this.
Watch carefully. We will use everything we learned.
Listen for the phrases.
I were waiter. Hi, welcome to Bella's Kitchen. How many today?
Hi, just one, please.
Perfect. Right this way. Here's your table, and here's your menu.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, can I have some water, please?
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Coming right up. I'll give you a few minutes to look at the menu. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. But I have a question.
Of course.
What's in the garden salad?
It has lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots with Italian dressing.
Sounds good. But is the pasta spicy?
The tomato pasta? No, it's not spicy at all.
Great. I'll have the pasta, please.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
Actually, can I have the bread with extra butter, please?
No problem. Bread with extra butter.
Oh, and one more thing. Can I have the sauce on the side?
Of course, sauce on the side. Got it. I'll bring your order soon.
Thank you so much.
Here's your pasta and bread with extra butter. Sauce is on the side.
This looks delicious. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything. How was everything?
It was wonderful. Thank you.
Great. Can I get you anything else? Dessert?
No, thank you. Can I have the check, please?
Of course. I'll be right back with that.
Thank you. I'm ready to pay.
Perfect. I'll take that whenever you're ready.
Here you go. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
And that's it. A complete restaurant conversation.
That was fun. Did you hear all the phrases?
Let's review them now. Okay, friends, let's remember what we learned today.
Number 1, when you arrive.
You answer, just one please, or a table for two, please.
Number 2, ordering drinks.
Can I have some water, please? Remember, still or sparkling.
Number 3, the polite way to order.
Don't say I want, say I would like, or I'll have.
Much more polite.
Number 4, asking questions.
What's in this? What do you recommend? Is this spicy?
Number 5, customizing your order.
Without onions, with extra cheese on the side.
Number 6, when you don't understand.
Can you repeat that? Can you speak more slowly, please?
And number 7, paying.
Can I have the check, please? In America. Or bill in England.
You learned so much today.
I know restaurants can feel scary. I was nervous too.
But remember, it's okay to make mistakes.
The waiter will not laugh at you.
They want to help you, and the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Start small. Maybe order coffee first, then a full meal.
Every time you try, you get better.
Anna, do you have a favorite restaurant phrase?
I love asking, what do you recommend? You always find good food that way.
That's true. I like saying with extra cheese, rubbing my belly.
Of course you do. Okay, here is your homework.
Homework.
This week, try one thing. Go to a cafe or restaurant
Even a coffee shop.
and order something in English.
Just say, "Can I have a coffee, please?"
Start simple. You can do this.
Write in the comments. Tell us how it went.
We want to hear your stories. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching today.
You stayed until the end. That's amazing.
We are so proud of you.
If you learned something new, please like this video.
And subscribe if you haven't yet.
We make new English lessons every week.
We want to help you speak English with confidence.
Oh, before you go, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Tell us in the comments. Write in English.
We read every comment, we promise.
Maybe write, "I would like to order," and then your favorite food.
Practice in the comments. It's safe there.
Okay, friends, thank you again.
Good luck with your English.
We believe in you.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.